Greetings, loves. Welcome to another edition of You Already Know. And I'm putting together something, and I just looking at this nasty boy who thinks he's the smartest man on the planet and how he's falling apart, and just looking at Raw, the newest one that's gone there, and how her face is just so quickly. Breaking out. And I know you guys have heard me mention that about them, how they look significantly different and their skin shows, at very minimum breakage since going there. And just talking about the hair and all that kind of stuff. Um, I said I never followed Aya's page because I remember they were saying that she had done testimonials about being a prostitute when she was in Babylon. And then Eligio did say, because they were saying she left her children to be with you, blah, blah, blah. So he went ahead and said, her children had already been taken from her. So, I figured that's because of the lifestyle that she was already living. And you remember the video I said I did, talking about, these predators, they prey on people who are already lacking something. So usually these are people who have already been going through something and are lost, confused, just trying to figure it out, how to fix it or whatever, and just don't, there's nobody around to help them sometimes. I decided to go back and take a look at some of Iya's pictures, like before she got there, when she first got there. And man, I had to show y'all this girl. She's beautiful now, but man. When I say this girl, what they did to her hair, stop playing. And now when we look at her face, it's just so broken out, like she never has a clear day. Now I'm gonna say this. One thing that I always say, and I'm sure hands down, they're not drinking enough water. And if you're not drinking enough water, you're not flushing toxins out of your skin. So you're gonna stay broken out. And I definitely think that's a large contributing factor. Your hair gonna be dried out and everything, and yes, that help cause breakage. But them with that tie your hair sticks, I don't know what the heck that procedure is, but they just killing your hair to make it fall out. I told y'all in the video that I showed you, you can't be doing all that craziness. Man, look, I don't know what this is. I didn't see any of that. But I just went back as far as I could. Found some pictures of her. This girl was so damn pretty in that hair. When I just look at her hair now compared to what it was, that's why I was so glad they didn't get hold to that the blind girl's hair, because she has some pretty hair, and her hair actually looks sort of like Aya's hair does in this pictures you're about to see. Look at this. You almost can't even recognize. You got a couple of bumps on the forehead, but that's about it. Look at Aya. Look at that. And look at that hair. And then you look at her now in Nature Boy's videos. Dried hair, just... I don't get the purpose of what he's doing with the hair. I'm going to be honest with you. Because it's not free nothing. He says free form. It's manipulated purposely by them to do this. And then they style it anyway. So I don't want to hear the freedom stuff and all of that. Why take your hair from something like this? A thing of beauty. And I know beauty is an eye of the beholder. But it's what apparently she liked at the time. And to change it into something that he prefers. God dog. I mean, look at her skin. She's beautiful. And hold up, fuck up. This nigga said, and he keeps saying it. He just said it the other day. Y'all don't worry about Aya. Same day that he did the open challenge and talked with what's the guy's name? The one that I just showed you. The other dark skin, I guess cult leader or whatever. I can't remember his name. But that same day, he said it again. Don't we eat good? Do y'all eat good? Guys, do y'all get full? Don't worry about Aya. Aya's just skinny like that. She's a model. She's just skinny model type. That's just her skinniness. She's just naturally skinny. Now what do you see right here? I see a fat face. I see a thicker neck. I see some shoulders. I don't see a skinny anorexic type chick. Motherfucker. Even right here, I see way more weight on Aya. Look at this face. After watching some of the, y'all will see when I upload some stuff. Look at this girl. You can't even recognize her. Damn, she's beautiful. Wow. This ain't even the same female. Damn, he jacked her hair up. He's starving this girl. It must be yeah, that's a punishment tactic or something. Interesting. This girl here. Oh, it was on pause. My bad. She got a dog with it. Look at that. It's hard to believe that that's the same female at all. But if you didn't know any better, you would be believing it. She's just quiet. She's just shy. She's just docile. Eliana know that shit too. They know it's a lie. Wow. Look at how fat her face is.
Zeus, you're gonna be on YouTube. Do you want to be on YouTube, Zeus? Do you want to be on YouTube? Okay, not YouTube. You want to be on Instagram? It's like frick with none of that is.
Wow, that's crazy. But check it out though. This is just September of 2018. This is just September of 2018. Look at that. The whole tude in the face. Not attitude like anything negative, but just personality, should I say. That's not the same female. This, wow. Look at her face. Okay, so October. So October, she's with them. And it begins. And she starts to get thin. Ew. That is disgusting. Yeah, he had all of them as his wife. Now, wow. Wow. Look at this. We have stopped going live due to the lack of donations. When we start receiving donations, we will open our live back up. Donate, don't hate. Look at how skinny she is. This is all of them. Wow, that's crazy. And it just what she anyway, ain't anything about her. That's crazy. Yeah. Dang. Well, so I know the next time he says that Iya is just skinny like that, she's the model type. That's a freaking lie. This dude is slow. He's slipping, or been slipping, or whatever. I don't know, but it would have been wise of him to have her delete all her previous videos where it shows that clearly she had way more meat on her bones. This child is emaciated, and she is not that quiet, docile type that he lied about. Not able to get her words out. He broke her down like that. That's crazy. Wow. Anywho, peace, y'all.